the first video, it was stopped after the sweep and after creating these circles in this line with interpolate curve. So I'm going to redo it again to reach these curves and to reach the handle and the connection between the handle and the body. Okay, so let's do it. I will hide everything and redo it again now. Okay, sweep, move. This is the first rail, second rail, and cross section. Let's go from the front and create an ellipse. Let's create it by diameter. I have made like a guide, cross guide thing. Start and this is my guide. Create this ellipse. This ellipse from the front to the surface. I just created this one and go from the front and project on this surface. It creates two projected lines that has the curvature of the surface. You don't need the back one, and using this one selected, I'm going to trim the surface. Okay. From the top view, open the picture frame and create a guideline from the zero polyline from the zero of the picture, not my zero. And let's use interpolate points to create the handle curves. This curve, we're going to change the layer color so you can see it. You can edit the curvature using the control points and moving them the gumball. We can use the arrows or we can use this like square. Again, interpolate curve, near, okay, I guess this is fine, and hide the picture frame. I want to make sure that this is snapping to the same line, near. Okay, so now we're going to use ellipse by diameter, starting from this point and typing 15, shift click, and 13 from the front and click. Select from the left to the right the 3 points and moving them from the middle one to the end of this curve. So now we have like a different ellipse shape, like elongated, I don't know how to call it, maybe. And copy this ellipse here and make it bigger, scale it holding the shift key. Now looking from the perspective, I want to make sure that this ellipse is big enough. It's passing these two curves. Okay. Now sweep to first rail, second rail, and cross section. Enter. Sweep. Now using duplicate border, we have this end edge as a curve, and we delete this surface. Delete this one. We already have one, and sweep to first rail, second rail, and this is the first cross section, and this is the second cross section, and yes, sweep. Okay. Now we have the handle. We want to connect it to the body using blend surface, chain edges, 1, 2, select second segment for second edge, and this is the second edge. The two arrows are, I don't know if you can see them. Change it to black. Right. The two arrows are pointing in the same direction. Enter. These two are equal. Okay. Now we have the connection between this part and this part.